In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify on your Wix website. If you are building a print-on-demand store, connecting your Wix site to Printify is what lets you sync your products and start fulfilling orders smoothly. I will walk you through each step in a simple order, and you can follow along directly on your screen. First, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website, add apps, and customize your store settings. Take a moment to make sure you are using the correct Wix account that owns the website you want to connect. Once you are inside the dashboard, you are ready to move to the next part. Next, navigate to the App Market, which is found in the left-hand sidebar. On most Wix dashboards, the sidebar is always visible, so you can follow it easily. When you click into the App Market, you are opening the place where Wix lets you install additional tools and integrations. This is important because Printify is delivered to your Wix site as an app connection. Now search for Printify and click Add to Site. In the search box, type Printify and look for the correct app listing. When you select it, Wix will show an option that says Add to Site. Click that option to begin the installation process. At this stage, you are telling Wix that you want Printify to be available for your website. After that, click Agree and Add to grant the necessary permissions. This step allows the Printify app to connect with your Wix store and access the features it needs. It is normal to see a permissions or confirmation screen here. Read through it quickly, then confirm by clicking Agree and Add. This ensures the connection can be created without interruptions. Once the app is added, you will need to log into your existing Printify account, or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. On the Printify login screen, enter the details for your Printify account. If you are creating a new account, follow the on-screen prompts until your account is set up. Take your time here because the connection depends on the correct Printify profile being linked to your Wix site. After you are logged into Printify, your Wix store will be automatically linked to your Printify account. This is the final step in the connection process, and it means your store and Printify are now connected through the integration. In most cases, Wix will complete the linking automatically once authentication is successful, and you will be taken back to your connected app area or store settings. At this point, it is a good idea to stay on the confirmation screen or check your Wix app settings to ensure the Printify connection is active. You are looking for a status that indicates the app is connected or installed properly. If you see that it is connected, you are ready to start adding products and mapping your store items to Printify offerings. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.